We believe smarter technology is about enhanced performance, increased productivity, and reduced complexity. You need machines that are safer, easier to operate, and more reliable, so they keep delivering for you, day after day. Generation D pairs proven capabilities with brilliantly simple design to give you just that. This is the ultimate workplace. Familiar ergonomics and a new intuitive interface help drivers focus on their work. Choose the exact configuration you need today and evolve it for tomorrow through over-the-air updates and adding new features over time. Actionable insights and remote diagnostics makes maintenance predictable and resolving unexpected issues faster, with built-in cybersecurity protecting your business. A range of lift trucks that integrates with your world and maximize lifecycle value, letting you simply focus on your business. Generation D, built for your world, built for more.